Weather coverage you can count on with Chief Meteorologist Kate McKenna and the Wave 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network.
Well, that smoke from the wildfires out west and Canada has made it to North Alabama and is starting to impact our air quality. Notice that on the scale here, the air quality in Huntsville last check was unhealthy for some. Those that have heart problems, lung issues, the very young and the elderly can experience issues when spending an extended period of time outdoors in the kind of conditions that we've got on a day like today. You can even see the haze there along the horizon. That's the view from Montesano looking over Huntsville, and I really don't expect it to change very much for your Friday. I've got your smoke forecast coming up in just a bit here, but this is the view elsewhere across North Alabama. It's very hazy and smoky in spots like Guntersville as well. Decatur, you're still able to see some blue sky there, and even in Huntsville, to look back at that view one more time, notice a little bit of sun breaking through those clouds. We've also seen a few showers and thunderstorms today. Temperatures are mainly in the mid-80s. It's feeling hotter though when you factor in humidity. The Wave 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network doesn't show much activity right now. Decatur and Guntersville, those are pretty quiet pictures. Let's get you a closer view though around our Muscle Shoals radar. We've seen a few sprinkles around Muscle Shoals. Right now it's pretty quiet. One shower though just west of Leeton, another along 72 there in eastern Lauderdale County. And looking back around our Decatur radar site, Tanner, we had a shower earlier that has since faded, so Limestone County is looking pretty quiet. And then back farther toward the west, I've been watching a little bit of rain here right along the Colbert and Franklin County line, but not much in the way of anything falling right now. And it's even quieter farther toward the east. Jackson, DeKalb and Marshall counties not showing any rain at this time. And that's good news for the Trash Pandas tonight. We've got another game against the Tennessee Smokies. And speaking of, it is going to be smoky at first pitch at 6:35, 86 degrees, 79 by the seventh inning. It's still mostly dry though. I don't see any weather impacts when it comes to rain or anything like that. And tomorrow looks like this. We'll be topping out near 90 degrees for your forecast high. We will start the day with temperatures near 70, a little bit of patchy fog. Remember, the haze stays with us, and at most it's a 20% chance for a shower or a storm. And I want to give you that smoke forecast. This is what I mentioned to you earlier. Notice that as we get into about tomorrow afternoon this time, about 4 o'clock, so a little bit earlier than this time tomorrow, look at all of the smoke that starts to drift in from the south here. Now, for the time being, we're more of that blue to green shading as far as what the scale is on this particular map. But tomorrow, we're going to be leaning closer to the very high category on the other end of the scale. So I do expect our air quality to get a little bit worse tomorrow. Keep that in mind. Future radar as we go throughout the rest of this evening. Any shower activity continues to fade, and we've got a partly cloudy sky by 10 o'clock tonight. It becomes mostly clear aside from some fog early tomorrow morning. And as we go through the afternoon hours, yes, it is still hazy, but when you're not seeing really thick haze or clouds, you're seeing a fair amount of sunshine kind of filtering through there. 2:30. Temperatures near 90 degrees, feeling like we're in the mid to upper 90s. A spotty shower or storm still possible during the evening hours, but nothing in the way that's really going to put a damper on your evening plans. Waking up Saturday morning to another quiet picture, and by Saturday afternoon, it's more of the same, kind of a rinse and repeat, a very similar day to what we've got on tap for tomorrow. Feels like forecast temperatures all the way through Friday into Saturday now. It's going to be feeling like we're in the low to mid 90s, and actual temperatures, we're going to be pretty close to that. Got your forecast high on Saturday at 92. It's 90 on Sunday, and by Monday, temperatures are a little bit lower. I won't really call it cooler. It'll still feel like we're in the 90s, and we're talking triple-digit heat index values next week because of the humidity, dew points in the 70s, and with actual temperatures at 93 on Thursday, it's going to be hot.